clutch manufacturer from Japan, and most of the items are made in Japan from headquarters. And we have all the products are made by Exedy ourselves, and basically we are selling Japan standard products made in Japan. Yep. First of all, we have some new sports clutch for like a Toyota 86, and also we start to introduce automatic transmission parts, and then we are going to add some new products in the future. Motorcycle and passenger, yes, and then also we are strong for commercial vehicles, especially for Japanese. Yeah, basically, African market, basically, all the Japanese car we have for clutch, and we have some, we try to promote also to expand for European. Definitely for the infrastructure, people are easy to access to Dubai, and also as a logistic base, it's a very good place to export from Dubai. Also for marketing, we based in Dubai, and we can access to any other market from Dubai easily. Mainly, for commercial vehicles, our strongest point, and we are doing very well for that. Mainly, basically we are strong for Middle East already. So mainly we start to focus on African market, especially start from Eastern Africa. We want to go for Western Africa. Yeah, basically, cars are designed in Japan, and then our factory is basically OE factory. So we have we have to comply with the OE standard. So basically, this is what we have.